What's up, guys? Welcome to this edition of Dirt Road Reset. Thanks for joining me. You recognize this spot, but it's been about, a year and a half since we've been here. We are in northern Arizona along the Colorado Plateau in an area called the Mogollon Rim. This is going to be an awesome episode. I've got a lot of stuff to go over, and it's going to start with something that might throw you for a loop, and that is Hey guys, so I went to the post office box before this trip, and lo and behold, I had a package from Donovan in Elk Grove, Illinois, and on the back of it was taped an envelope, and this was in it. I have not opened it. I don't know what it is. This is from Donovan. It says, Dear Chad, aka Dirt Road Reset, I've been an avid fan of yours since the start. I love your content. Keep it coming. Your videos have saved my life. Wow. Back in December of 2021, I lost my sister to a rare form of cancer unexpectedly, and it absolutely crushed my world. Before I knew it, I had a... Donovan, I don't know what's in this box, but this right here is one of the best gifts anybody has ever given me in my entire life, man. That's priceless right here. And I'm not going to share it with the viewers because it's a very personal story. And all I can say is if you're watching this, I've been in that dark spot where you were at. And I am so glad you found your way out of that hole and that you came out on the other side. I will cherish this, and I thank you. Let's see what Donovan got us. Wow. By the way, I got a new camping chair. Scott was giving me a lot of grief over that. Let's see what we got here. It's heavy. I have no idea what it could be. It's a box inside a box. What do they call those dolls? Those oriental dolls that are like doll upon doll upon doll. Yeah, here. No, that's just a packing slip. Shut the front door. Donovan. This is remarkable. Folks, oh my goodness. Wow. This was a lot of money. I mean, what we're seeing here. It's an N12 Nordsman axe with a leather sheath. Hickory handle. Yeah, it's a... Oh my gosh, yeah. Not Nordsman, a Norden. Sorry. Wow. Look at that. This is going to come in really, really handy. Oh my goodness. So this is a crossover. I've wanted one of these for so long, but I didn't want to spend the money on it. It's like it's a cross between a hatchet and an axe. They call these splitting axes. got the perfect apex wedge on. Oh man, that is awesome. I mean, this is a piece of art right here. I mean, I will use the absolute heck out of this, man. Thank you so much, Donovan. I appreciate it. Wow, that made my day. Whew. This camera does not do the best in, wow, look at that, in low light conditions. The sun has set, and call me crazy, but I think we've got a storm coming. Around here, look back there. It's just, that video does not do it justice. It's black. Coffee. Oh. God, I just love the diversity in vegetation up here in the higher elevation deserts of Arizona. I mean, there's so many things. I mean, we've got cypress here, we've got bluegrass here, we've got dicots, we've got monocots, we've got gamble oak, Arizona thistle, other thistle, ponderosa, bluegrass, if I didn't mention that already. I mean, it's just so cool. We even got a prickly pear cactus over there. And there's probably 10 more species around here that I haven't even seen yet. So diverse. Well, it looks like we have another storm coming. Look at that. So maybe we'll put the Napier through another weather test, huh? I just Scotch guarded it, put some spray on it. So we'll see how that works. This looks like it might be a good one though, here. Better start hunkering down. I don't know if these solar panels that I have are, I know they're splash proof. I don't think they're waterproof though, so we'll put those away.
Watch has been issued from noon Mountain Standard Time until 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following locations in Arizona: Eastern Montego Rim, Northern Hilo County, and Yavapai County valleys and basins. For the official NOAA National Weather Service forecast for Northern Hilo County, including the cities of Payson, Strawberry,
So the rain is here, and boy, am I glad I did the Scotch Guard treatment on the Napier when it was still sunny out. Check this out. It's working great. Hey guys, I want to do a spotlight thing on one of my newest camping toys for truck camping. And you've seen these around. They're becoming a lot more popular. Jackery's a really popular brand. EcoFlow, Blue Yeti, or Blue Yeti, whatever you want to say. This company, formerly known as Generark, is now Geniverse, and they were kind enough to send this to me, asking that I would give them my thoughts and opinions on it, completely unbiased. Again, they were gracious enough to send me this unit along with 2 solar panels with it. And this is available in my link description down below. It's referred to as the Generark Home Power 1 bundle. And let me tell you a little bit about this thing. It has been awesome for powering all of my devices. Now, before getting one of these, I always relied on these right here. Like all of us have seen these before, right? They're little portable battery packs, right? The problem with these is I can maybe get 2 or 3 charges out of my phone with them. It's certainly not powerful enough to power the diesel heater or the RV fridge or my laptop. And that's where this comes in handy and why it was so attractive to me. I recently took on a job where I can work anywhere I want as long as I have internet. And that's a nice luxury to have. Now, is this going to come with me on all my trips? No. But on the trips where I go out during the week and I have to have internet access to be able to work and talk to clients and whatnot, there is no better solution than going with something like the Generark Home Power 1. It has a long-lasting capacity of 1,002 watt-hours. Okay, that's beefy. Most of these ones that you see online are in the 300 to 600 watt-hour range. 1,002 watt-hours for it delivers, a pure sine wave of 1,000 watts. It'll surge at 2,000 watts. It has 3 110 volt AC plugs there for you. It has the 12 volt cigarette lighter adapter delivering 10 amps, a USB-C, a 5 volt 4 amp USB, traditional USB port, and then this is really cool, the USB 3.0 quick charger by Qualcomm on there. I can charge my phone off of this thing right here from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. That's how awesome that is. It's got a really cool display that tells you how many watts are coming into the unit when you're charging it, whether you're charging it from an AC outlet at home or you're using the 2 solar panels or any solar panels that you choose. Yesterday, I had this hooked up to the 2 solar panels in the sunlight, and it was pulling 187 watts from those solar panels, and it charged this thing up in no time. Again, from the home AC power, yeah, it does fine. I had this hooked up to my laptop computer yesterday doing work all day long, and my phone charging, and had the RV fridge plugged into it, and it only got down to 82%. I like that it also, again, it shows how many watts are coming in when you're charging it. It also shows how many watts that your devices are drawing from it, to give you an idea of how much battery power you have left in it. It has the 0 to 100 battery level indicator on there to show you that. Conveniently, it has the Anderson power pole adapter here for your satellite panels if you want to go that route, or the traditional barrel plug there. One of the things that Geniverse prides itself on this is that it's the most reliable emergency power supply on the market. It's got industry-leading safety and reliability, designed with electric vehicle-grade battery cells. Every unit undergoes 52 reliability safety tests, and this sucker is powered by a whopping 5-year warranty. That's awesome. They say has up to 7 days of power supply to your crucial devices and home appliances on one single charge. Again, it's also nice that these 110 volt plugs right here, offering 1,000 watts continuously, are pure sine rated, meaning it's safe for all your electrical devices. I would not plug my laptop into anything that is not a pure sine wave device. So that is really, really cool. And this thing it's relatively light. I mean, you can easily pick it up. So yeah, check it out in the links below. I love this thing. It might actually just stay in my truck, to be honest with you. If you use a CPAP machine, this thing will run that no problem. And no more having to mess with fussy, loud, noisy, smelly gas generators or anything like that. Or if you're in a ham radio like I am, that's going to be a cool test. I've seen videos where guys are using this, especially because it's pure sine, puts out a clean signal. There's no electrical noise associated with it. That'll be a really cool thing. There's nothing saying that you can't power your ham radio off of it. And yeah, just an overall cool addition to the Dirt Road Reset inventory, I guess you could call it. Well, that'll about do it for this trip. It was a short trip, but super fun, the perfect reset. Thanks for coming along with me on it. It was definitely the perfect reset. Which brings me to my point that we always close these videos out with, and it's a subject I'm very passionate about, and that's breaking the stigma of mental illness. If you or someone you know is suffering from anything racking the mind, stress, anxiety, addiction, depression, PTSD, postpartum, you name it, anything like that, I really hope you find your dirt road to reset, because it sure has helped me, and I'm pretty confident it'll help you too. Thanks, friends. We'll see you on the next one.